Hi, I'm Riccardo, and today I'm going to talk about synthetic macromolecules, which are an addition to the biological macromolecules that are very important and necessary for survival and growth. My focus is on plastic, one of the three major groups of synthetic macromolecules. Plastic touches almost every aspect of our lives, and it's used in a multitude of products previously made of natural materials. Plastic materials have been created using many different kinds of matter over the years. It contains such natural and organic elements made from raw materials. Plastic is combined chemically of long chains of polymers. Each polymer is composed of many repeating units of smaller molecules, called monomers. The first step in making plastic is the polymerization reaction. There are two main types of polymerization reaction. In addition polymerization, two monomers add up and divide a double bond in a long chain. In condensation polymerization, two monomers add up and remove a molecule of a simple compound, often it's water. Depending on the type of monomers and on the polymerization method used, polymers may have different structures. The most common of them are linear, branch, cross-link and network. Based on the structure, plastic can be classified into thermosetting polymers and thermoplastic polymers. The last step in making plastic is mixing chemical additives into the base polymer to improve certain characteristics. So remember, the more the chains are complex, the stronger they are, and this characteristic makes difficult to external agents to decompose plastic. Did you know which is the most widely produced plastic in the world? It's a linear polymer from condensation polymerization, called PET. As a thermoplastic polymer, it's highly recyclable, and it's used especially for soft drink bottles. According to available data, more than 1 million PET plastic bottles are sold each minute around the globe, but just 14% of it recycled. So, we are aware that plastic bottles we throw away today will be around for a long time, with terrible effects on the environment and its inhabitants. Our efforts must focus on recycling it, and better, using it as little as possible. Let's start from here. These are 1 week plastic bottles used in the spare time. Against this, a stainless steel water bottle that we can use as many times as we want.
Il mio cane si chiama Chuck. Quando lo chiamo io dico Chuck e lui si gira.